Model 2017 Citroën Relay Boxer 35L3 Diesel 2.0 BlueHDi Enterprise ULEZ Spares OR Repairs Body, Silver, Panel Van Mileage, 72,483 Engine, 1,997 ccDW10 FUDA Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive Mechanical Summary, non-runner Timing belt has snapped. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 2 former keepers, part service history, EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear cap retail, £9,625. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074011999